Do you have one of these automotive bulb connectors that's giving you some trouble? Well, you know what? It probably is due to corrosion on the inside after many years, or wetness or something that's gone wrong. But there's a way to salvage this. Provided you don't have any broken pins inside, there's an easy way to fix and make this serviceable again. So if you're able to have some contact cleaner, that would be awesome, but you could get away with just using rubbing alcohol. What you want to do is you want to give the interior of the connector a bit of a spray, a soaking, just something to loosen up any corrosion that would be in there, and then get yourself a popsicle stick. That's about the width of a standard 194 bulb, and then take a piece of sandpaper and make sure it's the same width of the popsicle stick, because all you're going to do is simply this. So you take the popsicle stick, take the piece of sandpaper, just wrap it around the end, make sure it's level and flush, keep this tight, and then you just go and you just insert it in the contacts. Now be careful you're actually getting into the contacts. You want to make sure you're not driving this straight into the contacts and bending them. So line up the contacts with the popsicle stick. There you go. And holding onto that firmly, just give a little bit of scrubbing inside there. Up and down enough there that it'll take whatever corrosion's on those copper contacts and clean them up. And yeah, you know, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. So give that a try. Make sure you give it a bit of a blowout there too with contact cleaner, or just blow it out.